Hi there, I'm Jay with LifePlan Lawyer. I'm a wills, trusts, and probate attorney in California, and I wanted to talk about gifts to grandchildren, and specifically when somebody has real estate and they're looking to transfer and include their grandchildren in their inheritance plan. So I always love to see families where the parents are happy with all of their children and grandchildren and are wanting to provide something. The item that I will let parents understand, or grandparents in this case, is that transfers to grandchildren don't have the same benefits in terms of real estate that transfers to children have. It doesn't mean you don't want to leave a piece of real estate to a grandchild, but more specifically, transfers to children qualify for something called the parent-child exclusion. That allows children to keep the property tax rate of the parent. And this, I'm talking here about California property taxes. This is not true in other states, but California has laws going back to Prop 13 that limit the amount that taxes can be increased. And so parents will, or anyone owning a property, will tend to have much lower property taxes than the new person who just purchased. That benefit gets to transfer to my children. So if I pass away, my children can keep my tax rate. If instead I decide I'm going to go ahead and skip my children, they're well off already, so I will skip them and leave money to my grandchildren. Grandchildren will not qualify for that keeping of my property tax rate. There is a small exception to that if the parents of that grandchild are both deceased, but in most cases that's not the reason I'm going down to the grandchild level. So just something to be aware of. I find people that are trying to do their own planning often miss some of these situations. And so I try to give my clients the advice they need to make the best decisions that will give the best result to both their children and their grandchildren.